bit more there. There's no question about it. I think there was more there in that tractor. And as you look down this list of what we potentially have, there's some really heavy hitters sitting down here in the bottom of our entry list. So do I think we'll hit the sand pile over the course of this next 5 tractors?